morning, dear students. Today we are going to start with the next topic, that is conjunctions, right? So before starting the story, let's discuss a story. Once there was a king. Once there was a king and his name was Conjunctions. Okay? And he was having magical powers. He was having magical powers. Like what he used to do, one box and other box, he used to combine that box. One book and other book, he used to combine that book. Okay, he was having what? Magical powers, right? So his name was Conjunctions. Okay, so let's start the topic. Same is the conjunction as the conjunction king was having supernatural powers to join many of the things together. Okay, to join one box and other box together. He was having magical powers. That's the name conjunctions. So today we are going to start with the next topic, that is conjunctions, right? So dear students, what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are basically joining or the linking words. They are joining or the linking words. Joining or the linking words. What they use? They used to join the sentences. They used to join the words. They used to join the group of words. Okay, so conjunctions are used to join the words, join the group of words or the sentences. So dear students, let's look at the example first of all. See, if I say Ajay is my neighbor, Rohit is my neighbor. I am saying Ajay is my neighbor, Rohit is my neighbor. Okay, so if I have to combine these both sentences, if I have to combine Ajay is my neighbor and Rohit is my neighbor, what should I do? I have to make a word out of it. I have to, Ajay is my neighbor and Rohit is my neighbor. I need a word to join these two sentences together. Okay, what will be that word? That word will be a conjunction. As I told you that conjunctions are the linking words. They are the joining words. Okay, if I say Ajay is my neighbor, Rohit is my neighbor, I can also say Ajay and Rohit are my neighbors. I am saying what? Ajay and Rohit are my neighbors. So dear students, for combining these two sentences, what word I have used? I have used the word and. Okay. So I have written Ajay and Rohit are my neighbors. So dear student, what is a conjunction? Conjunction is a word that is used to join a word or group of words or the sentences Okay, let's move to the other example. I have told I want to be a doctor. I want to be a pilot. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a pilot. Now I am saying either the doctor or pilot. So which conjunction I am using? I am using I want to become a doctor or pilot. So the conjunction will be or, because or is used to join the two sentences. One sentence was I want to be a doctor and other sentence was I want to be a pilot. So for combining these two sentences, I have used the word or, which is a conjunction. I want to be a doctor or a pilot. Okay. Next, we got late. It was raining heavily. We got late, full stop. It was raining heavily. Okay. We got late. It was raining heavily. Now I have to combine these two sentences. Which conjunction could I use? I could use the conjunction because. Okay. So we got late because it was raining heavily. Okay, to join these two sentences I have used word because, which is a conjunction. Okay, so dear students, we are having the list of conjunctions for, and, nor, because, or, yet, so. Okay, how you will be learning this? You can learn with this fan boys, for, and, nor, because, or, yet, so. Okay, so fan boys, these all are the conjunctions. These all are the conjunctions. Okay, so let's start with the first conjunction. Today we are going to start, that is or. That is or. Like I have told you in the example, I want to be a doctor or a pilot. So dear students, or conjunction is used for the choice, when you have to give a choice to someone, whether you will be eating fried rice or Manchurian. So I am giving you choice that what you want to eat. Okay, whether you want to eat fried rice or Manchurian, I am giving you the choice, right? So dear students, or is always used for the choice. Or is always used for the choice. Whether you want to become an engineer or a doctor, whether you are having a pen or pencil. Okay, so I am giving you the choice. Okay, what you will be having? You want Manchurian or fried rice, you want pen or pencil. Okay, you want to be a doctor or a pilot, right? So whenever there is choice, that time we use the conjunction or. Okay, second conjunction is because. Because is always used for the reason. As you have seen in your question and answers also, whenever the teachers ask the question, you always reply because I was there. It specifies the reason. Okay, so because is always used for the reason. Okay, like if I say, see in this example, we got late because it was raining heavily. Because is used because as I am giving the reason. We got late because reason is specified, because it was raining heavily. If a teacher asks you, student, why you have not done your homework? Ma'am, I have not done my homework because I was not well. You are giving the reason. Because ma'am, I was not well. Okay, if I ask you, student, why you have come late? Because ma'am, it was raining heavily. Okay, so you are giving the reason. Because is a conjunction which is used for the reason. When you have to specify a reason, that time you use the conjunction because. Okay, third is so. So is always used for the purpose or the result. So is always used for the purpose or result. Like if I say, we were talking, so we got the punishment. We were talking, so I got the punishment. So means result. As we were talking, so as a result we got the punishment. So dear students, so is always used for the purpose or the result. So is always used for the purpose or the result. If I say, I went there, so I could not meet her. I went there, so I could not meet her. Okay, so means so is the reason. I went there, but so I could not meet her. Okay, so is always used for the purpose or the result. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.